Picture this: the rugged Superstition Mountains, Arizona, 1891. A German immigrant named Jacob Waltz dies in Phoenix, clutching a secret that sparks a legend, the lost Dutchman mine. They call it the richest gold strike never found, a fortune hidden in a desert maze of cliffs and canyons. For over a century, treasure hunters have scoured these peaks, some vanishing, some dying, all chasing whispers of gold. Now in 2025, a breakthrough buzzes, new tech, fresh clues, a chance to crack it. Welcome to Lost Enigma Hub. Today we dive into the Dutchman's tale, a mystery of riches, curses, and maybe a find at last. Is this the year the gold glints? Let's step into the wild and see. The story kicks off in the 19th century. Jacob Waltz, born around 1810 in Germany, lands in America, a prospector with dreams bigger than his luck. By the 1860s, he's in Arizona, a wild frontier of miners and natives. Locals spot him in Phoenix with sacks of high-grade gold or rich stuff he won't explain. He's cagey, says it's from a secret vein in the Superstitions, a range named for Pima Indian tales of mystery. Word spreads fast, folks call him the Dutchman, a twist on Deutsch, his German roots. He dodges questions, lives simply, dies in 1891, leaving a neighbor, Julia Thomas, with vague hints, no map, just a dying man's mumble. What's the mine? Tales vary. Some say it's a Peralta family stash, Mexican miners who struck gold in the 1840s, only to be ambushed by Apaches guarding sacred land. Waltz, they claim, found it later, maybe with a partner, Jacob Weiser, who vanishes, dead by Apaches or Waltz's hand, depending on who's talking. Others peg it as a solo find, a vein so rich it's unreal. Clues pile up, a rock face, a view of Weaver's Needle, a canyon north. Julia Thomas hunts it, fails, sells fake maps. By the 1930s, Adolf Ruth, a seeker, dies out there, skull shot, body lost, fueling the cursed talk. The gold's real, they swear, but it's a killer. The hunt never stops. Since 1892, thousands trek the Superstitions, 8,000 a year by some counts. Maps pop up, cryptic, often hoaxes, pointing to caves, saddles, springs. Men like Clay Wurst, a treasure hunter, spend decades tracing Waltz's steps, finding nada. Deaths stack up, over 30 they say, shot, beheaded, baked by heat. Apache curses, some whisper, guarding thunder god gold. Others blame greed, bad luck, a brutal land. The Superstitions, 160,000 acres of volcanic rock, swallow secrets whole. Gold's there, geologists nod, nearby mines pulled millions, but this one? Elusive as a ghost. Theories twist. 1. It's a cache, not a mine, gold bars stashed by Waltz or Peraltas, tucked in a crevice. 2. Looted, Union soldiers or bandits nabbed it post-1865, melted it down. 3. A myth, Waltz a liar, spinning tales from scraps. Yet clues linger, stone tablets found in 1949, etched with symbols, hearts. A priest, linked to Jesuits or Peraltas maybe. Skeptics scoff, no gold in igneous rock, they say. Believers counter, it's a pocket, a fluke vein. By 1983, prospecting's banned, but the Dutchman's pull endures, a siren call in the desert. Enter 2025. Tech shifts the game, drones buzz peaks, ground radar peers deep, AI sifts old tales. Arcana Exploration, a crew from Ohio, claims a hit in 2015, photos of clues, a spot matching Waltz's hints, kept hush for now. Rumors fly, a shaft near Weaver's Needle, metal pings off Tortilla Flat. Park rangers at Lost Dutchman State Park shrug, hundreds still hunt yearly, no big finds logged. Blogs buzz, ex-posts tease, a breakthrough's near. Is it hype, or has the Dutchman's luck turned? The mountains stay silent, daring us to look. Picture it found in 2025. A team cracks a cave, gold gleams, coins stamped 1860s, bars stacked neat. History flips, Waltz vindicated, a haul worth millions today. Arizona booms, tourists flood Lost Dutchman Park, scholars rewrite books. Or it's a vein, raw, or proving the mine's real. Risks loom, looters, claims, feds stepping in. The Superstitions shift, a secret spilled. But what if it's there? A find this big reshapes the legend, answers the dead, silences doubters. Or does it? Or it's a bust. 2025 digs yield dust, a dry hole, another hoax. Waltz a fraud, the gold a fever dream. Geologists nod, no big veins here, just tales spun tall. The search slows but never dies, the Dutchman's grip too tight. Tech improves, hope flickers, next year, next tool. The real treasure? The chase, the wild, the what if. 2025's buzz fades, but the superstitions stand unyielding, holding their truth. Here we are, 2025, the lost Dutchman mine teasing still. A breakthrough looms, or so they say, gold waiting, or just bones of a myth. Was Waltz a miner, a hoarder, a trickster? Did the superstitions swallow it or never have it? At Lost Enigma Hub, we live for the hunt, the riddle, the etch. Found this year or lost forever? Drop your take below. Subscribe for more mysteries, because in Arizona's wild heart, the Dutchman's gold still calls.